To do and where to find this viral add your sticker. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I'll show you from where you can find this Instagram chain story que te digan algo antes de terminar el año, no vale subirlo. So first of all, you have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. So this is the place where you will find that viral add yours sticker. From here, you will have to go to December add yours at highlights. And if the highlight is not loading, you can go to the description box below, and there you will find a YouTube tutorial that can help you with that. You can also check my other viral trends if you like. So now you just have to tap until you find your sticker. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I also have a tutorial for this problem in the description box below. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your sticker. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and share this with your friends. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day content like this. You can also comment in the comment section down below with your thoughts, with your questions, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.